We're here in the locker room, and as you can see, some of the finishes are going on right now. We're really thankful for the 120 people that stepped up and purchased locker plaques. So we are sold out, and we are getting those plaques in this summer. The lockers will be coming in June, and we'll be planning an event here in August to thank and recognize all those folks for really making this dream a reality. This is the best locker room by far in Division II. As you can see here with some of these finishes, we really miss no detail. So when a student athlete comes in here, they're going to feel like this is a premier experience, from when they walk in to taking a shower to the sinks and some of these wood finishes. And then up here with the media table, our media station here with TVs, we'll have 4 TVs and Apple TVs in the back, so they can just literally just sync to their phone for music or video, whatever they want to do. Play Xbox. It's all going to be student athlete friendly. So a lot of finishing going on right now, but again, just want to say thanks to all the people that supported this project. This locker room is truly going to be amazing, just steps away from the field. So thank you again for all your support.